Okay, not gonna lie, this is not a normal hike.
So there's still geological action going on here, so.
Throwing the rocks in case there's any rattlesnakes.
Quite dark compared to that other stuff. Look at that.
Yeah, it is much darker.
Where I am now.
Take them. It's almost like there's purple in that.
Up in here.
Am I seeing things?
Try to get the angle.
We'll give it one more try here. Right in here. $1.7 billion-year-old rock. Easy to break.
Yeah, don't let it whoop you now. There it goes. Was it worth it?
No. Or was it? I don't know. There it is right there.
We got a couple of nice chunks in the vein on the other side, man.
Yeah. This stuff's a little different here. It seems to be mixed with the purple stuff. In fact, that looks like it's almost solid purple. But it's a fracture. I can stick my hand up in here. You can see the fluorite seam going right into the fracture, but it's only that wide, so I'm going to give up on that one, I think.
So yeah, I started Rockhounds Anonymous because it's probably scary. Because rockhounding is like a sickness. You know, it's so yeah. We what do we do with the rock? Well, those of us that are lucky enough to have the cutting and polishing equipment, cut and polish it. And those of us that don't have it, we go to our friends' houses and we cut and polish it. But I mean, I got so much rock, every type in my apartment. I'm just running out of space. But it's fun, you know. You come out with friends and you dig and you hike and you stay healthy.
Yeah.
You stay healthy. That's what I love. Keeps me in shape.
So you don't turn it into your artwork?
No. This is hobby. My artwork is very different. My artwork is what feeds me. My artwork feeds my belly. This feeds my soul. Look at it up in here. Look at this. Look at those colors.
Oh yeah.
That is just amazing, amazing, amazing. This fluorite is just so blue-green. That's why I said it's seafoam.
Yeah.
And I don't know what that material is.
Oh, it's almost white.
Yeah, it's really pretty. It's very soft. I mean, it'll pack right off. And it runs right next to where all the fluorite is. You know, wherever there's fluorite, there's that white stuff. But it might be calcium. I don't think it's quartz because it's too soft.
I know what you're talking.
That stuff.
Yeah. Oh, this white?
Yeah.
I think that's calcium.
It is calcium.
I'm talking about this stuff here.
Oh,
not that. He's talking about this right here.
That used to be this rock here. It
No
just turned
kidding.
into clay.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's all clay now.
Clay along the edge because of the mineralogy. There was probably a little bit acidic or something and broke the rock back down in the clay. It's basically a process of rock turning into dirt. That's what it is. Fun.
Oh, I didn't realize that. Rock turns into dirt.
Who knew?
I didn't know that. I thought dirt was dirt. What you got there?
We got seafoam.
Oh wow.
Oh, it might be gold.
Wow, that's trippy.
Yeah.
Reminds me of Superman.
My son, you do not remember me. I am Jor-El.
You know,
Kryptonite?
Yeah.
Kryptonite's a little darker green, but yeah, this is nice stuff. It's just it's really pretty. It's just kind of the gem quality, and so I gotta polish this up. Or it doesn't even really need much polishing. You can see it all looks polished already. So it's good stuff. Boop.
You guys are interested in blogs, huh? I got an interesting one for you.
Yeah.
I have a Spanish mine I found 2 years ago in the Uinta Mountains
Oh, really?
that was severely hidden for some reason. They moved rocks that were half as big as a house in front of it. There's no road in the area anywhere. It's in a real isolated spot.
Huh.
Don't know why they hit
Hey,
it.
Matt.
Maybe they're still gold there.
Matt.
Really?
Some really pretty stuff up in here. Try to get to it. That's the big challenge. Contorting your body enough.
Oh, yeah, you got a nice piece there, huh?
Yeah, purple. We got purple. Nice. That's a leverite. You know what we call a leverite? Leverite there.
Was it no good?
Leverite?
Yeah.
Lots of leverites in Utah.
Right there. It's not worth a darn anything.
It's a very old joke.
Right? Millions of years?
Oh, look at this. Bunny ears.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna get one more.
Somebody drew something over there a long time ago. That might be indigenous in the rock. I don't know.
So what's
It
this?
is a mine.
Is this stuff any good right here? This is like purple, it looks like.
No. It's purplish. It's just rock.
Mining hole.
This stuff is everywhere in here. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
It's kind of purplish and pink. It's very pretty.
Yeah, it is.
You hit the wrong rocks, and you get a loose vein. You could end up with it all coming down on you. So we got to be kind of careful.
I see a spot here that hasn't been mined on, but there's a big rock that's got to be moved. It looks like it's fractured right here, across here, but I'm not going to attempt it.
This is a big vein. Look how thick this vein is. This is about 5 inches thick. Damn.
What are they usually? About an inch?
About an inch. Look at all that clay. Golly. And this one's gonna come right out. I got it.
Oh, these are darker, huh?
Yeah, these are the darker green ones.
They're darker green in that area there.
Put them over with our pile.
Now there's some nice banded stuff there.
What do you got?
Oh, yeah.
You see the
Oh yeah, we got a bunch of that last time we were here.
bands in it?
That's
what
pretty.
I wanted to get, a couple pieces like that for you guys.
Oh, look at this banding. See that?
Okay.
That's the piece I want right there.
Okay.
Look at see the banding, which goes from the green to the white, to the green to the white to the purple. So if I can get under that, I'm gonna dig out this purple rock.
Yeah, that's nice. It's locked in the rocks.
It's what in the rocks? Locked. Like what?
Oh, a whole big old
It's
chunk's
coming.
gonna
It's
come.
coming. It's coming.
Yeah.
It's coming. You pound a little more.
Yeah, just a little more.
There we go. There we go. All right, there's one. That's two. Perfect.
Wow.
See, he does all the work for me.
Yeah.
Oh, we got several of them.
Look at the purple in there. I think
Yep.
that's purple inside.
Yep. I like the bands in this one.
Yeah, that's nice
That's
banding
what I'm
in
looking
that.
for. All right, I'll put them in our pile.
You out there digging coal?
He is.
Yeah, let's get some coal action here.
Alright, I'm heading out.
You going behind? Oh, he's got that long screwdriver.
There you go. It's gonna come out.
You got it?
Pieces.
That's the challenge. Very easy to beat it up. Why don't we do
Oh, look
this
at that
up
big
now
old
so
chunk.
We don't have to carry it out in one bag like last time.
Wow.
Carried out in one bag.
Look at you, Mr. Rock Pile. I don't know if it's any good or not.
You're ancient, Matt.
I know.
You leave people half your age miles behind you. You're
Yeah.
terribly ancient.
One of these days they'll see me falling, you know, I'll be ahead of them.
Throw
and
that
all
one
of
in
a
your
sudden I'll
pocket.
go, what's that tumbling down the mountain?
That's Matthew.
There you go. I see it starting to break away up top. There you go. Big old chunk.
Look at you. You're like a Rockhounder now, dude.
Take
Yeah,
that
so
much.
if you go in here, sideways, and this bottom drops out, then you'll get that whole chunk, like this.
Yeah.
That's good, that's good. You can get in there, and you can crack that. Hard work, isn't it?
Yep.
You wouldn't believe what we pulled out of here 2 weeks ago. We must have each gone down with 50 pounds. I mean, it was crazy. So imagine this in your mid-60s, right?
can't believe how good a shape he's in, man. Just
Matthew's a beast. He is a beast. Go try, see if you can get right in here and kind of angle it in, and maybe this whole piece will come out because you're up in the clay,
right.
and I don't think that's gonna do much for you.
Oh, there we go. Put your hand up there. Throw like right here. Oh, I hear it. It's cracking it though. There it goes.
Yeah.
It's just coming out in rubble, huh?
No, but that's a pretty one.
We got some purple in it right there.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you got that. Look at it's a little gemmy stripe right there.
Oh,
see the crystals in it?
Yeah.
Good one.
Nice.
Teamwork. All right, we out of here. All right. If you look right here, you can see little gold slivers right in there. I think that's the pyrite. Oh, shut up.
Nobody asked you.
Hobbits in the hole.
You got a video of this lunatic? Hobbitses?
What do you know?
I'm a hobbit in the hole.
Just looking for his ring. Schmeagle.
My precious, precious. Precious.
I'm gonna eat a sandwich when we get out of here.
Back here? Tell us about rockhounding.
It's when you hound for rocks.
Like just regular old stones or what?
No. So we went into a nice little cave, or should I say mine, and so we dug out a bunch of this wonderful blue-green fluorite, and our local professional next to me is my buddy Matthew Kroll, who seems to know something about everything. Look at that, it broke already. Look what you did. But no, rockhounding is it's kind of a disease, like I said earlier, where we just go out to crazy places where we probably shouldn't be, and just get really beautiful material, and cut it and polish it and make jewelry or display it all over our houses and buy lighting panels so that people could see how crazy we are with all the stuff we have. But yeah, it's a lot of fun, Matt.
Tell us about rockhounding and how'd you get into it?
Hey, yeah, I retired here about 8 years ago, and then I got kind of bored, and I decided to pick up rock hunting.
Like a
I
dark
lived
green
in
or lighter
Wyoming
on
all my
top.
life, and Utah impressed me because of the immense geology and different types of geology it has. So I basically just started researching and studying it, and over the last few years been pretty successful. You can follow my Instagram site if you want.
Yeah, what's your Instagram? Go for it.
At MATTWYONATIVE. You'll see all kinds of beautiful stuff I'm finding. So.
Oh, that's awesome. Now, you have a page as well. You have a Facebook page, right?
I got a lot of Facebook pages.
We'll put the links below.
Oz Fine Art Studio.
Oh yeah, Oz also is a fine artist.
Very fine.
Absolutely fine. You
Very
can find a
fine.
painting below.
Very fine. So fine.
All right, I got a question for you.
Okay.
Why would you pick a mine here? Like, how do they just pick an area to drill?
How did they find this? They apparently up above here there are other prospects where they found it on the surface of the ground. So it follows a fractured down the mountain, kind of on the trend we're on, just basically straight up and down, where there's a series of veins that formed in fractures in the fluorite. Why did they use it? Because in the 50s there was a big demand for fluorite because of all the steel mills and steel production in the US, and unfortunately that's all gone now. But when that started fading off, it basically wasn't worth mining anymore because it wasn't in demand anymore. And the steepness of the slope and the closeness to the residential area down here, plus the fact that the tailings can't be discarded without rolling clean down into the residential area. It made it impractical to mine, and the lack of water also. So.
Is it rotten?
It's rotten inside.
I was waiting for a scorpion to jump out and bite you in the
Some
nose.
seeds, some big seeds.
Too dry.
Dry. Yeah.
They're so pretty though. Oh, what? Oh, those?
So have you ever eaten one of those?
No, I never have, but I've read they're edible. So.
Huh.
I do eat mushrooms though. I pick wild mushrooms every year in Wyoming.
The psychedelics ones?
No, these are a meadow mushroom, and I can't remember the scientific name, but they grow in what they call a fairy ring.
Oh, nice.
So easy to identify, and done it all my life. I've known my dad had done it all his life. His parents did it all their life. Nobody's ever been poisoned. So
That's cool.
you got to know what you're looking for though, because there's a lot of people get poisoned by them every year in the U.S. And it's people that misidentify them and think they're edible. So.
Go ahead.
So I would just like to add, for all the people that know Matthew Kroll, the fact that he eats magic mushrooms explains a lot. Yeah. Complete.
Want to thank you guys for watching our video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and like always, thank you for living life.